Hi there. Welcome to the Start a Business tutorial for LLC formation in West Virginia. This main page here is just going to go over the general filing process for both foreign and domestic LLCs, and we encourage you to click on the links found throughout to get more detailed tutorials that'll walk you through exactly what's required to get registered in the state. Now, those filing domestic, either professional or standard LLCs will have to pay a $100 filing fee. Those foreign LLCs will pay $150 across the board. Now, for this website and for the state, rather, there is an online filing portal that is available to all filers and enables the registration of all business entities as well. Now, you're going to need an online account to access this portal. But that only takes about a minute to set up, and once you're set up, you're going to be able to register with the Secretary of State, the State Tax Department, and the Unemployment Compensation Division. So it's really beneficial, and we always recommend when there is an online filing option that representatives take it. First thing to do before filing, however, the first step we have here is a business entity search. Now, it's not required that you do this, but it's always a good idea because it makes sure that the name that you're planning on using for your entity, be it a foreign or a domestic entity, is available in the state of West Virginia. Now, if you find a name that is indistinguishable from your name, or at least deceptively similar, there's a good chance that if you go ahead and file with it anyway, your application will be rejected. Now, if you've done this search and you realize that your name is available, yet you need more time in which to prepare for filing, you can perform a name reservation or file a name reservation application, and that'll allow you an additional 120 days with which to prepare, and your name will be secured, and it only costs $15 as well, so it's a pretty good idea. Step 2 is, of course, actually going about filing. So that's downloading the PDF of the filing form if you don't plan on filing online, or creating your online account so that you can access the online filing portal. Now, we've got tutorials for both the domestic LLC and the foreign LLC registration processes here. So if you were to click on this, you get our little introduction and then how to file online. So you'll have all this information. We've included each step, an image of each step, and a description of what's to go into each field and each option that's given to you. Once you're finished the forms, online or otherwise, you're going to need to pay the filing fee. Now, this can be done by credit card online. This can be done by check if filing through the mail. The payment of the filing fee will sort of mark the completion of your filing process. For LLCs, that is. For LLCs, yes, but for online filers, I meant to say. For those who are filing through the mail, you need to attach a check to your application and send both items to this address here. You're also going to need to supply a certificate of good standing if you are a foreign entity. One thing to do during the formation of a new domestic LLC is the acquisition of an employer identification number. This is necessary to all employers across the United States, individuals or entities that plan on operating with the use of employees, which is most likely you if you're starting a new business. So we have a tutorial on how to get an EIN here. We also have provided the links to the IRS website here, and the downloadable form SS4 is downloadable in PDF. Now, operating agreements is not legally required in the state of West Virginia, but like in most states, it's always advised that you do draft an operating agreement. This will allow you to relay the manner in which your internal affairs are to be organized. This is essentially everything that goes from, the amount of meetings held by the company officials, all the way to the capitalization of each member, the rules and responsibilities under which they'll need to operate. All these provisions will be held in the operating agreement, and you can download our free template here by clicking on the link I just clicked on and choose between MS Word and Adobe PDF in terms of file types. Finally, LLCs are required to renew each year with the West Virginia Secretary of State. This can be done online or through the use of this PDF. Of course, if you're doing it online, you're going to need your online account. and it costs $25 and is due July 1st of each year. All right, I hope this was somewhat helpful. Again, click on the links found throughout here to get a better understanding of exactly what is required of you. Really, that's all there is to it. It's pretty straightforward. Just note that if you do take the online filing process route, it's going to take you a little bit longer because you're going to be registering with those 3 state departments. All right, good luck, guys.